Maraming salamat. Nice to see you back, G. Here on a...
Hi, G!
Yeah.
Tinignan ko yung pagkakita natin sa kanya tinignan ko yung kaliwang kamay niya.
Oh.
Wala pa ako nakikita sing-sing. So, shout out Vince! Never was a day that I regretted that decision ever since.
Wala nang paligoy-ligoy.
Yes.
Kagaya nitong atake ng Sarangani this time.
I remember now. Okay.
And, well, he did a tremendous job considering he took over. They were 2-7. Napaabot pa niya yung ayun nga, no, yung imprint ni Coach Toto, also former Caloocan head coach.
Correct.
Desoyo, the spin cycle off the glass move. Sa loob, Kaduyak rejected. Stasio short on the jumper, got it back. Kabandang tira, pasok yan.
Pinanood na lang ni Inigo yun. No? Siguro.
Off the mark. Sungan, nagmamadali. Bounce pass. Kaitaan ni Marilao. Lays it in. The 10-point lead over Negros.
Well, no twist of fate here for these two teams because both at the bottom of the standings. But, okay, the good news is, in division, only 2 games ang difference, no? With Bacolod at 4 wins. So that should be,
actually 3 wins lang.
for the lack of a better word, good news.
Layup. Galing kay Brian Lakap. Makilaw nakuha yung rebound. Desoyo behind the back pass. Lars Sunga will finish. Up by a dozen, Sarangani. Fast break points. Huge edge gather in that department. 18-4. Sunga, good pass inside. Marilao will stick it in. Villahar, binabayaan sa labas. Back-to-back triples for Lorenzo Villahar. Lakap.
Palpal ni Inigo.
Yeah. Sticking with it, but can't finish. Agawan sa bola between Dibut. Bulawan nakuha yung rebound. Pitch ahead, Mike Alvarez off the dribble. Nice finish. Not all the time, but there are guys like CJ Alatica.
Right.
Na pinakita dito.
That's true.
Zigma is good from Ken Brillantes.
It's always a tryout for the players every time they play. Usually, nasa first game sila. I mean, look at Joe GDL. He has a ring.
Yeah.
Because he was traded to Pampanga from Marikina in non-playoff team. Wherein yung mga kala mo, part ka na ng playoff team, biglang mapupunta ka sa non-playoff team.
Oh, this guy is hot! Lawrence Villahar with 4 triples. Oo, tama. Puroy, sumugot sa loob, lays it in for 2. Duyak pass to a cutting. Actually, Inigo laying it off the glass and in.
Nice high off the glass.
Puroy, kicks it out to Valiano, back to Pantimbuhan. Touch passing. Brillantes, a lot of contact, able to finish. The floater is up, no good. Valiano the board. Pantimbuhan, the pass. Marilao lays it in.
Gotta love the bounce pass, especially in transition.
Negros a chance to cut this lead even further. Nice drive, yeah. Duyak heading to the cup.
Royalties for this season. So kick, drive and kick.
Tosi, wala. Pantimbuhan, almost.
Would have been nice kung pumasok yun, no? Top 5 place yun, pwede.